Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this petal dress. Well, actually, I'll just be showing it to you guys because this was a limited item and it was on only for 3 hours, literally only 3 hours on Dress to Impress, and you get this gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous petal dress. There's a lot of toggles to it. You can add on particles to create this really cute leaf dress. Looks like vegetables, but it's because of the color, but it just is a gorgeous dress. The code was winter update, but unfortunately you can only get it for 3 hours. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.